Air pollution. Air pollution is known as the presence of unwanted material in the air. The mostly air pollution takes place due to the human activities. Now I am going to tell about you that what are the major causes of air pollution. First one is transportation services. We are using cars, buses, planes, trucks, autos, trains, etc. for transportation purpose. The fuels used for running these vehicles are kerosene, diesel, petrol, etc. During the combustion of these fuels, large amount of poisonous gases like CO, CO2, SO2, hydrocarbons, etc. are released into the atmosphere. Hence, the air is polluted. 75% of air pollution due to vehicles only. And the second one is industries. The products or materials produced from the industries. The construction of materials, machinery parts, vehicle parts, domestic goods, medicines, drugs, fertilizers, plastics, etc. are manufactured in the industries. The most common pollutants of these industries are CO, CO2, SO2, H2S, Cl2, HCl, NO2, CFCs, etc. In addition to these pollutants, the smoke is coming out from these industries. Many contain dust, carbon, metals, particulates, etc. Industrial pollution is another major cause for air pollution. And the third one is deforestation. Cutting of trees or plants is called deforestation. It results in increase of CO2 in the atmosphere, which causes global warming. And the fourth one is agriculture activities. The pesticides are used in agriculture. Some of these poisonous chemicals spread into the atmosphere and causing the air pollution. And the fifth one is radioactive materials. Radioactive rays coming out from atomic reactors and the hospitals. This type of nuclear explosions pollute the atmosphere. The nuclear influence are more hazardous to living organisms. And the sixth one is wars. Many synthetic toxic chemicals used during the war released into the atmosphere cause the air pollution. And the seventh one is accidents in industries. Sometimes poisonous chemicals are released into the atmosphere due to human errors or defective methods from the industries. Such as chemicals have hazardous effect on the organisms. And the eighth one is natural reasons. First one, volcanic eruptions release poisonous gases like SO2, H2S, CO, Cl2, etc. And the second one is forest fires. Third one is pollen gains of flowers. Fourth one is dust and sand storms. Fifth one is bacteria and viruses, etc. Okay friends, I would like to end the video. I hope you understand. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.